Hello students, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to solve one of the interesting integration of the type integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power m x cos power n x dx. This type of integration we will solve, and generally this type of integration is come in your examination. So we will solve it very easily. So let's see. So it is equal to m minus 1, m is power of sin x, then again m minus 3, m is also power of sin x, and then we are subtracting the odd number of values like m minus 1, m minus 3, next value will come m minus 5, then m minus 7, this value will come. Similarly, multiplied with n minus 1, n minus 3 and n minus 5 and so on. We will n is the power of cos x, so we will subtracting odd numbers from the n value and the m value, and we will write in our numerator. In the denominator we have to write m plus n, both the power we will add and multiply with m plus n minus 2, so we will subtract the even number in the denominator. So again m plus n minus 4, then the next value will come m plus n minus 6, because we are subtracting the even numbers. In the first term I had not written, but m plus n minus 0 you may be right, but 0 is 0 we can eliminate. So m plus n minus 2 minus 4, then minus 6 minus 8 and so on you can write easily. And we have to multiply it with the value k. So k will be equal to 1 if both either m or n or both are odd numbers. So for example, if m is 1 or n is 2, so k value will be 1, or both are odd like 1 1, then in this case k is equal to 1. So for example, if both values are even, both are like 2 2 2 4, similar like this, so the k value will be equal to pi by 2. So you have to remember this point, because this is very important point. Our answer will go wrong if we don't remember this point. So let's see some of the examples. So let's see integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power, let's take 3x cos power 4x dx. So this value we will take. So you can see k value will be 1, because either m or n or both are odd. So here m is odd, so k value is 1. So this will be equal to, so you can see this is our m value and this is n value. So I can write in the form of this formula. So m minus 1 means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2, and then 3 minus 3 is 0, so we will not write that 0, and again the n minus 1, so n minus 1 that is 3, then n minus 3 that is 1, divided by m plus n, so 4 plus 3 7, into m plus n minus 2, and that means 7 minus 2, which is 5, then m plus n minus 4, that is 7 minus 4 3, then we will write 7 minus 6, it will come 1, and the k value will be 1. So if we solve this value, we will get the answer of this integration. So let's see. So 2 3 is 6, and divided by 35 into 3, 35 into 3. So if you multiply this value, you will get the answer, or it will become like 105. So this will be your answer. So student, please note down this question. We will see one more example. So let's see one more example. Let's take any value. In case both are even numbers, so let's take sin 4x and cos 6x dx. So in the similar manner we will write the value of m and n in the numerator. So if we write the m value, this is our m and this is our n. So m minus 1 which is 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, and then 4 minus 3 which is equal to 1, and then we will not write next value because negative value will come, so we will stop here. Then we will write n minus 1, that is 5, then n minus 3 which is 3, then again if we minus n minus 5 it will come 1, and we will stop here because next time negative value will come. In that numerator we had written all the values of m and n minus with the odd numbers, and in the denominator we will add all the number like m plus n. So 6 plus 4 10 into 10 minus 2, that is 8, then 10 minus, so again we have to write 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6, or we can subtract directly from here 2, and so next value will come 4, then next value will come 2, like this. And the k value, so in this case we can see both are the even number 4 and 6, so I had written k is equal to pi by 2 if both m and n are even numbers. So you can see here, so k value will be pi by 2. So if you multiply all this value, you will get your answer easily. So thank you student, you can solve this question, only calculation is there. So I hope you got the concept. It is a very important integration. Please note down all the concept. So student, I hope you liked the video. So press the like button and subscribe button to see this type of video in the future. Thank you.